Hey everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how to do this compression tester. I'm going to use it on this little engine. What it is, you get a gauge, a pipe, different fittings. On this I'm going to be using the pipe and this fitting. So, got the gauge, it's got a relief valve. I'll connect the pipe in. Take the spark plug out. Disconnect that for now. Screw in the pipe, which is always the right thread. Okay, now I'll connect the gauge. I haven't connected that properly. But what you do is you press the button to release the pressure. That's it, I didn't make that click. So we have about 110 psi, which is quite good for this little 40cc engine. It relieves the pressure. This cost me £12.99 with free shipping on eBay. It's really good build quality. Good threads, everything. You get this nice sturdy case. A lot better than what I thought from somebody. This is for if you ain't got the right connection, you can just push it into the engine. But I won't be able to do it on this, I think. Nah, can't get a grip on it. Well, got 20 psi. Right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.